Do you feel like you're working harder than ever, but your bank account isn't quite keeping up? What if the real key to more money and those dream career opportunities isn't about grinding even harder, but about tweaking your surroundings? Just imagine. So many people have seen huge changes in their finances and careers, not by redoing their resume, but by redoing their living space. Seriously, this isn't some kind of hocus pocus, it's ancient wisdom. Welcome. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of Feng Shui. This ancient Chinese practice, which has been around for thousands of years, is all about arranging your environment to create harmony and draw in positive energy, often called qi. Think of your home and even your workspace as an extension of your own energy. If it's cluttered or just feels off, your life, including your money and career, might feel that way too. But when you get it harmonized, it can become a powerful magnet for the very things you want. And we're not talking about complicated, expensive makeovers here. These are simple, doable shifts anyone can make to invite money and job opportunities to flow more easily to you. I'm going to share 7 powerful Feng Shui secrets that can quickly help turn your financial and career situations around. Get ready to welcome a new level of abundance. Secret 1. Fire up your wealth corner, the Southeast powerhouse. All right, our first secret is all about a special spot in your home or room called the wealth corner. Traditionally, this is in the Southeast area. Or if you're using the BTB, Black Sect Tantric Buddhism method, it's the far left corner when you're standing at the main entrance of a room or your home. This little corner is a real powerhouse for financial energy. How to activate. First things first, make sure this area is super clean and nice and bright. Clutter is a total energy blocker, so clear it out. Then, you want to bring in things that represent growth and wealth. The wood element is really important here, so add some vibrant, healthy plants like a jade plant or a money plant. These symbolize growth and life. You can also use colors like green, purple, or gold in your decor. A small, well-kept water feature, like a little tabletop fountain with the water flowing inwards, can be incredibly effective, symbolizing money flowing to you. Another idea is to place a wealth bowl filled with coins, crystals like citrine, or other symbols of abundance right here. The benefit. By energizing your wealth corner, you're basically putting up a big shiny beacon for prosperity. This invites financial opportunities and more income into your life. Many people find that once they activate this area, they start seeing unexpected financial boosts and just feel more abundant overall. Secret 2. Command your career from your desk, the power position. Your desk? That's your command central for career success. Where it's placed and how it's set up can really shape your professional life. This is all about putting yourself in a position of power and opportunity. How to activate. The biggie here is the commanding position. This means your desk should be set up so you can see the door to your office or room, but you're not directly in line with it. You also want a solid wall behind you for support. This represents backing and stability in your career. Definitely try to avoid having your back to the door. That can make you feel vulnerable and like you're missing out on things. If you absolutely can't avoid facing a wall, just put a small mirror on your desk so you can see the reflection of the door. And, of course, keep your desk tidy and organized. A cluttered desk often means a cluttered mind, and that just blocks productive energy. The benefit. Sitting in the command position gives you a real sense of control, helps cut down on stress, and lets you symbolically see and grab opportunities as they come your way. It boosts your focus and authority, paving the way for promotions, successful projects, and those exciting new job offers. Secret 3. Power up your career area, your ambition's North Star. Just like there's a wealth corner, there's a specific spot for your career and life path. This is often called the career gua. In BTB Feng Shui, you'll usually find this in the front and center part of your home or office when you're looking from the main entrance. If you're using a compass, this area often lines up with the north. How to activate. So, how do you give it a boost? The main element for the career gua is water, which stands for flow and the journey of life. So, you'll want to enhance this area with water elements. This could be a small, clean fountain, pictures or paintings of calm, flowing water, think a river, not a stormy sea, or even a mirror, which also represents water. Super important. Make sure any water you depict is flowing into your space, not away from it. The colors for this zone are black and dark blue. Metal elements are also great here because they bring clarity, so things made of metal or circular shapes can be a good addition. Think about placing symbols of your dream career or what you want to achieve in this spot too. The benefit. Activating your career gua can help bring clarity to your career path, attract new job opportunities, get you recognized for your hard work, and make career changes feel smoother. It's really about aligning your space with your professional dreams, making it easier for good things to come your way. Secret 4. Clear the path to prosperity. Declutter and attract. This one might sound almost too simple, but trust me, its power is huge. In Feng Shui, clutter is a major roadblock for positive qi. It creates stuck, stagnant energy that can really get in the way of financial growth, job opportunities, and just your overall well-being. How to activate. Take some time to declutter your entire home, but give some extra love to your entryway, your wealth corner, your career area, and definitely your desk. Get rid of things you don't use, need, or love anymore. Fix anything that's broken. Leaky faucets, those can symbolize money draining away. Broken furniture, or burnt-out light bulbs. Don't forget to organize your paperwork and digital files too. Yes, digital clutter totally counts. Your goal is to create clear pathways for energy to flow smoothly. The benefit. Decluttering is like an energy cleanse for your home and your life. It makes space for new energy, new opportunities, and new money to come flooding in. A clear space helps create a clear mind, reduces stress, and makes you so much more open to the abundance that's trying to find you. Secret 5. Make your doorway welcoming. The mouth of qi. Your front door is a really big deal in Feng Shui. It's actually called the mouth of qi because it's where all opportunities, including money and career ones, come into your life. How to activate. Make sure your front door is clean, in good shape, and just looks inviting. The path leading up to it should be clear and welcoming too. Think about painting your door a color that attracts positive energy. Red is often used for prosperity and protection, but pick a color that feels right for your home's exterior and your intentions. Check that the doorbell works and that your house number is easy to see. The area right inside your front door should also be bright, open, and clutter-free so that good energy can come in and circulate. If you can, try to avoid having your front and back doors directly lined up, as this can cause energy, and money, to rush out too quickly. If they are aligned, you can use a rug, a plant, or a screen to help slow down that qi. The benefit. A welcoming, well-kept front door actively invites positive energy, good fortune, and new opportunities right into your home and your life. It really sets the stage for abundance to walk right in. Secret 6. Use prosperity symbols and colors wisely. Feng Shui uses specific symbols and colors to really turn up the volume on your intentions for wealth and success. Think of them as visual pep talks and energetic activators. How to activate. For wealth. Bring colors like green for growth, purple for royalty and abundance, and gold for wealth, of course, into your wealth corner and even just your general decor. Symbols like the money frog, that three-legged toad often placed near the entrance facing inward, Chinese coins tied with red ribbon, or a wealth bowl, a bowl filled with semi-precious stones, coins, and gold ingots, can be really effective. Healthy, vibrant plants like the jade plant or money tree are also fantastic wealth symbols. For career. In your career area or on your desk, try incorporating shades of black or dark blue. These connect to the water element and flow, and metallic colors like silver or gray for clarity and focus. Images of flowing water, like waterfalls or rivers, or symbols that represent your career goals can be super inspiring. Even a small, smooth, dark-colored object or a metal desk accessory can help strengthen that career energy. Some people also find that an image or figurine of a cardinal, a red bird, helps with career advancement. The benefit. These symbols and colors act like little energetic reminders, constantly reinforcing what you want and drawing the energies of wealth and career success to you. They help create an environment that's literally tuned in to abundance. Secret 7. Bring in living energy with plants and light. Living qi, which you get from healthy plants and good lighting, is so important for a vibrant, prosperous home or workspace. Dark, stagnant areas? They just breed more stagnant energy. How to activate. Bring healthy, happy plants into your home and office, especially in the wealth, southeast, and career, north front center areas. Steer clear of dead, dying, or artificial plants. Those represent stuck or dead energy. Make sure all areas of your home are well lit. Use natural light as much as you possibly can, and then add some bright, warm, artificial lighting in any darker corners. And please, replace any burnt-out bulbs right away. Good lighting really lifts the energy of a space, making it feel more active and inviting. The benefit. Living plants bring in growth energy and vitality. They help purify the air, and they just uplift the qi. Good lighting chases away the gloom and energizes your space, making it a much better place for attracting positive opportunities and financial flow. A bright, vibrant environment naturally supports a bright, vibrant financial and career life. So, as you can see, these ancient Feng Shui secrets aren't about complicated rituals or spending a ton of money on makeovers. They are powerful, yet surprisingly simple ways to shift the energy in your environment and, as a result, shift things in your life. By making these intentional tweaks, clearing out that clutter, setting up your desk just right, energizing those key areas, and using a few special enhancers, you're sending a super clear signal to the universe that you are open and ready for money, job offers, and all sorts of incredible opportunities to come your way. Imagine waking up every day feeling like your surroundings are actually cheering you on, noticing little synchronicities, and seeing real results like unexpected income, exciting career possibilities, or that dream job offer. Finally landing in your inbox. This is the kind of transformation that can happen when you align your space with what you want. These simple shifts can truly make abundance feel like it's appearing by magic, but it's the magic you create by consciously shaping your environment. Are you ready to attract more money and better job opportunities and fast? Don't feel like you have to do everything at once. That can be overwhelming. Just start with one of these secrets today. Pick the one that really calls to you, give it a try, and then pay attention to the changes, big or small, that start to happen. For more tips and secrets on how to create your best life by working with the energy of your environment, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future insights. And I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 Feng Shui secrets are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Share your experiences, ask your questions, and let's build a community of abundance together. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and exploring the powerful world of Feng Shui. Remember, your environment is a reflection of what's going on inside you, but it's also an amazing tool you can use to shape your reality. Start making these simple changes today, and prepare to be amazed at how quickly money and job opportunities can begin to flow more effortlessly into your life. Until next time, may your qi be strong and your path be prosperous.